How to fix keyboard not working on Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your settings right here on your phone and scroll down like this. Click on apps and then click again here on apps. And now let's wait a few seconds. Scroll down and search for the app of your keyboard that you have downloaded. Now let's say this is the app keyboard, for example. Click on it and then click on force stop, and after you click on it, everything is gonna go back to work again easily and fast. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.